Hi guys, so today is not really a very happy video because I am going to be sharing with you guys something. Ever since last year I wanted to address this, but I didn't want to make a big deal out of it. But this year I've decided to really talk about it because okay, here's the thing. Let me explain what happened first, okay? There's this ad on Facebook and now on Instagram. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it's a promotional for castor oil. And in this ad, I was actually kind of like the persona there that people perceives as the one who's promoting it. Because here's the thing, they took clips from my YouTube videos and they actually included that in that, you know, ad. I first saw that on Facebook because my friends here in the Philippines, you know, has been tagging me, and also my family, and also my cousin from Canada, my cousin from the US. Also, they saw that ad, and also our church member from Dubai. They've actually have been tagging me on this and they saw it and they're just like, oh my gosh, you're actually famous now, you're like an artista, because you know, to them they really thought that I was the one who's promoting it. And even my sister tagged me on it and I watched it because I was like, what? I'm promoting what? I didn't even know about this. But I watched the video, I saw myself and I was like, wow, I wasn't informed about this. You know, they actually took clips from my video on my DIY hair growth oil. And in that video, of course, I was using castor oil. But however, in the part where I was pouring the oil on my scalp, when they showed it in the video, it wasn't just castor oil that I was using. It was already mixed with other oils, which is the almond oil and the sesame oil. So when they portrayed that it was just all castor oil, it wasn't really all just castor oil, okay? It was already mixed with some oils. And also some of you actually last year have been tagging me about this, but this year a lot of you have been tagging me and DMing me on Instagram about this, because that ad is not only on Facebook now, it's also on Instagram. And I found out that it wasn't just one seller. I feel like they've distributed that video or that video ad to several online shops. I don't even know who actually made that video, but for some reason just sellers or like online shops just kind of like gotten that video and then just put that ad on Instagram, and then they just probably, you know, they labeled it as if they're like the distributor of it and you can buy castor oil from them. The only thing that I didn't really like about the situation is that they actually took that video without my permission. Okay, they took clips of that video without my permission, and I do understand the whole fair use, but you know, fair use is only for educational purposes. But however, if you're making a profit out of it, I don't think that that's right. I know for some of you probably would say, you know, like, don't make that thing such a big deal. It's not a big deal. Like, for me it is, because you know what, here's one thing that I want to share with you guys, okay? My experience here on YouTube when it comes to copyright things. If you've seen on my videos, all of my contents here are all mine. They're especially with the music, and all of my contents, they're originally produced and made by me. I don't just take clips from other people's video and put that on my video, because I understand as a, you know, as a creator, it's very frustrating that people would steal clips on your videos or even your whole video. There's actually a video here on YouTube that this channel stole one of my no heat curls and then uploaded that on their channel, and they're making money out from my own video. The second thing that I have to address that is kind of like a big slap to a creator who's doing this hard work trying to make videos as original as possible and not copyrighted is that I had to battle 3 copyright claims on my video because there are networks that claimed my videos. Basically, these people accused me of copyrighting my own video. They accused me of visual content. Okay, so I looked at the visual content that they were accusing me of, because there's a time frame. They said that in this particular time frame, this is the video or this is the clip that you copyrighted. And when I look at the time frame to where they accused me of, you know, the stolen visual content, you guys, guess who I saw? Guess who I saw? I saw my face. And I'm just like, are you kidding me? How can I copyright my own self? And then the other one that they accused me was like the, you know, the scalp of my sister when I was like applying some oils on my sister's hair. And what I did, of course, is I, you know, filed for an appeal. But basically, I messaged them and told them that this is all wrong. All of these video clips are mine. You know, if you need proof, I have all of the raw files here to prove that, you know, I didn't steal any of these contents. And that's very silly because that video clip that they accused me me that I stole from them, it was myself. Like, how can I steal my own self? Okay, my own clip and my own self. Like, how does one do that? And thank God that from all of those accusations, I've battled through it and I've won 3 times because, you know, I'm on the right side and the Lord is on my side. Because it's true, I did not copyright anything. And if they want proof, I have my raw files here. So I basically have all of the receipts and all of the proof that those videos are mine. So for me, it's kind of like a slap on the face for a creator like me to be accused of stealing or copyrighting my very own video. Actually, this issue, I brought this up to YouTube last time and thank God that they've listened. So I'm not so sure if the copyright rule of like claiming your own videos when someone uploads it, is it applicable on other social media platforms? I don't know about those things. So that's why this whole situation of, you know, people using some of my video clips on their ads, especially if they're making money out of this or profiting out of this, and they're making me look like I'm endorsing that product of theirs, it makes me feel bad because first of all, they did not inform me at all. It is very disrespectful. And you know, for me on YouTube, here I am fighting for my own videos. And then here you have people from Facebook and Instagram just uploading video clips from my videos and not really getting copyrighted for it. You know, if you guys get what I mean. I wasn't planning to make a huge or like a big deal out of this. I'm not, you know, being like catty and like I'm not gonna fight anyone or anything at all. But I'm just really sad about this. And what do you guys think I should do? I don't know if I'm just overly exaggerating, but I'm just letting you guys know about this. You know, as a content creator, I care because that is my face that they're putting out there, you know, and a lot of people really thought that I was promoting it. If you want to use someone else's video, ask for permission. Message the creator. A YouTuber or a content creator tells you yes, then you can go ahead and use that video. I hope that you guys understand my frustration and where I'm coming from, and I just don't sound like I'm just complaining. And I was thinking that, you know what, if I'm ever going to advertise castor oil or any oils or any products, I'm going to personally use my face because I'm a user and I can really stand by and really give you an in-depth and honest review about it because I've been using it for years. So I can really give you a full-on details about castor oil, let's say, or any particular product, you know, that I want to advertise. Let me know your guys' thoughts about this and I will see you on my next video. Bye!